Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLE 63 AMG. Under the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 577 horsepower and 561 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLE is front and rear LED lights. This one is equipped with the night package, which gives you a blacked out exterior trim on the front, rear, and middle. This one has 21-inch black AMG wheels, V8 bi-turbo badging, brushed aluminum running boards, a nice black leather interior, suede headliner, panorama sunroof. Tires are in good condition. We've got our blacked out rear diffuser, trailer hitch, AMG GLE 63 badging, power liftgate. Both sets of floor mats, all season and regular. Fold down rear seats, privacy cover. Coming around back here, plenty of space in the back. Smells like brand new in here. We've got our rear heated seats and climate control in the rear. Up front here we've got our anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats. This one does also come with the Premium 3 package, which comes with active blind spot assist, steering assist, pre-safe, and driver's assist package. A upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got a nice suede and leather steering wheel controls. This one also has the smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for the extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this vehicle up. This one also does have the AMG exhaust. We've got our dynamic select controls right here. We've got individual, comfort, sports. Let's put it in Sports Plus in here, that AMG exhaust. Nice and beefy. We've got a rear backup camera, navigation, our hard keys, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our command center. This vehicle has all service records and Carfax available. It has 16,100 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 63 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.